25 साल से मैं आंद्रे, विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ। तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो।
I love them. They've always welcomed Kambagani, Australia.
हमारे ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को भी पता तो पड़े कि राजस्थान में कितना कुछ देखने को।
9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा, तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज आइएगा।
It's happening here in Mumbai. I've come here.
All the way from Australia. I'm in India. It's Silver Jubilee, 25 years, getting bigger. Big congratulations to the IFA team. Stay tuned.
I am in India with a man who they are reaching 25 years. It's big. Tell us something about that.
The only thing we can say that we are still standing.
And we are friends for 42 years. 42 years. And I've seen you've changed your outfit 4 times, and in a few years you're looking like dapper. What is this? The glasses.
I'm using Ozempic. No, because all the people who use Ozempic don't say, I don't you lost weight.
There's nothing to fashion. Want to get IFA to Australia someday we would.
Yeah. Australia has been talking to us, Perth, Sydney and Melbourne.
Right.
Okay? After election, they're going to collect money to call us in.
Okay. I think that Australia needs something like this so we can promote the tourism, and you guys are doing it in every country, so I think we should do it in Australia.
Karthik, it's 25 years. How are you feeling, IFA?
I'm super excited and super pumped to be a part of the 25 years of IFA.
Right.
And I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to host it.
And any message for fans in Australia? I love them.
They've always welcomed me with so much warmth. I really love them.
Kambagani to Australia.
Kambagani, Australia. Please come to IFA.
Yeah, that's it. What do you want to say to the Indians in Australia? उनको tourism promote करने के लिए क्या बोलेगा?
मैं सभी जो आपके दर्शक हैं कि आप बिल्कुल राजस्थान आए, जयपुर आए, पूरा राजस्थान घूमें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को अपने साथ लाएं, ताकि हमारे ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को भी पता तो पड़े कि राजस्थान में कितना कुछ देखने को।
Thank you, man.
25 years, how are you feeling?
A good man. Out of 25 years, I've done 23 IFAs. So what's up, Oz? You know what, Australia, we love you. This guy's phenomenal in his content as well. Follow IFA. IFA के 25 साल गिरफ्तार था.
How are you?
Hi, how are you? Good.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
इंडिया की शान, he's the Pathan, he's the Jawan, he rules the industry as our King Khan. Give it up for Shah Rukh Khan. Mr. Karthik Aaryan. शाहरुख, जब भी आइफा वाले आपके बारे में बात करते हैं वो हर बार यही कहते हैं कि शाहरुख हमारे लिए परिवार है। थे ही, एंजेलिना जोली भी थी, जैकी चैन भी थे। I really want you to walk down memory lane, flashbacks of a few of the IFAs that you've done, and why is it so special for you? First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji. And all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course Karthik, you Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now for, I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ। तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो। और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा, तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा। एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years. So thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Viraf. Thank you, Sabas. As a matter of fact, I've always said to them, कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो। अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आइफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए। इट्स वंडरफुल, नो बेटर प्लेस, बीइंग काइंड टू अस, शोइंग अस वार्मथ, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, एंजेलिना जोली याद रही। तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना। But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabas. Of course, I've supposed this 25th year, the most wonderful and fantastic, just so that I can pass off the mantle to him. तो इसको मैं सिखा देता हूँ कि जयपुर में शुरुआत कैसे करनी है। तो पहले हमको बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दिया कुमारी जी भी यहाँ पर हैं। पधारो मारे आइफा,
पधारो मारे आइफा,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
एंड खम्मा घनी,
खम्मा घनी। क्या बात है! Thank to be a part of this entire association with IFA. It's been a global stage, and शाहरुख सर जब भी hosting किए हैं या perform किए हैं, I think he's been at it. He's been wonderful. It's always been like a stadium effect when he comes on stage.
What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो, ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का।